विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. गोंय हें उद्योजकां खातीर बरी सुवात आसा हाचो प्रचार करपाक मांगिरीश पै रायकर हांणी पत्रकार परिशद घेतली. ह्या विशयाचेर 21 ऑगस्टाक सेमिनार जावपाचो आसा. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान कॅन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
of Management, Goa University, as well as ASSOCHAM, together we have come together to celebrate this World Entrepreneurs Day. And on this day, we would like to promote state of Goa as the next destination for entrepreneurs, or we can call it as an entrepreneurial hub Goa, as is the vision of the state government. We are going to promote MSME in the state of Goa. Why I say MSME is because Goa is very small. As you all know, it is just 3,701 square kilometer. And having said that, we have 40% as forest land. So very limited land is available for industrial purpose or for service sector, and hence we would like to promote these especially for MSME who require very less land mass, as well as the employment generation would be more compared to the larger industries. I'm not saying that we do not want larger industries, because we do want a mother industry to come to Goa, but that later we would like to promote more as MSME. And for this, I'm happy to say that Reserve Bank of India, along with State Bank of India and other 20 banks which are functioning in the state of Goa, have joined hands to promote this exercise. We would like that the prospective entrepreneurs to come forward, especially from Goa, to become job givers instead of becoming job seekers. I'm sure there is a lot of talent available in Goa.